are the key challenges students face in the current education system that hinder entrepreneurial development?
Thank you for that question. First of all, I would like to start with the fact that the Indian education system has actually made a significant progress, and the fact that we're having this business summit today is a testament to that. So, while we're talking about India as a whole, there still are a lot of challenges in the education system. The limited exposure to actually real world business scenarios and lack of practical hands on experiences. So, many students
I
would
agree.
graduate without ever having to encounter a real business challenge. And students should get enough opportunities to work on tangible projects or solve real problems. The second thing would be, I think there should be more options for interdisciplinary learning. Entrepreneurship often requires combining knowledge from various fields. You have to wear multiple hats. You are required to take up multiple roles. But in the education system, I think subjects should not be taught in silos, because that can be really challenging for students to connect the dots and see the bigger picture. And most critically, I would say that there's an aversion to taking risk in our education system. And I remember that Mark Zuckerberg once said that the biggest risk in today's world is not taking any risk. So in a world that is changing so quickly, I think the only strategies that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. So there is this inbuilt cultural stigma around failure that can deter students from taking entrepreneurial risk. And the education system, I think, must encourage risk taking and resilience, which are very important for entrepreneurs.